Hello dear viewer, thank you once again for tuning to this station. First of all, I want to take this time to thank every one of you who have subscribed to this channel, to thank you for your patronage and for encouraging us to continue making this video that will guide you towards becoming what you want to be. So we have several comments in the past video, and so nice to hear from those comments and how we can actually talk about some relevant topic. Now this video I'm trying to say now, we focus on starting preparing towards your destiny from a scratch level. I'll be focusing more on the elementary school kids who are about to go to college and what they need to do and how their parents can actually guide them to make it easy for them to navigate towards their potential. We're looking at a kid from 8 years, 7 years, or even 6 years. So what they need to know about how they can plan towards becoming a better citizen or better entrepreneur or scientist in future. We may recall that at this stage, kids already have view of what they want to be. And this stage is very important because this stage, the kid needs to build the momentum, interest on what they want to be in life. And it's very important, I stress here in this video, that the parents have a role to play. Because each child will indicate what the interest area he want to do, what he want to be in life. And it's the responsibility of the parents, the guardians, to understand this and provide the kid with necessary material, and if possible, let the kid be enrolled in a particular school that can enhance that particular aspiration of the kid. Now, going further from here, even in the classroom, you can see a child try to play with a particular instrument or indicate interest in particular subject area. So this is a signal that will indicate that this child can be very good if those areas is well organized or reformed such a way the kid can begin to develop from that little stage. And at this stage, the child is trying to explore so many potential. So it's very important we should also understand that you cannot conclude that this child will be this particular thing in life. That stage is a stage for exploration. So it's very crucial as a parent, as a guardian, you make your child available all the possible opportunity for he or her to explore those necessary opportunity, and at the end of the day, that will guide that child moving ahead to a particular subject area that will be tailored towards becoming what the person want to be. Maybe you want to be a doctor, or you want to be an engineer, or you want to be a teacher, or you want to be a pilot. All these things, the child begins to develop those interests from this stage. So that's very important that as a parent, you should be able to make sure your child doesn't meet this stage. From the elementary school, you need to also make sure that you talk with a teacher to also know what is your child response in the class, how is your child performing in the class, how most parents fail to look at their kids' assignment, they fail to look at the kids, what the kid is saying, maybe during their class hour, their free hour. You need to understand what this child interest is all about, and this is also a very fundamental for building that child-long career plan. So it is very important again to stress here that sometimes a child may not have the confidence to express what they really want. Then it's okay, but there should be a room for that child to actually feel is he or herself to make that choice. Parents should not be allowed to decide for a child what they want to be. A child has the responsibility. He has the key to determine what they want to be, and that is why most great potential in life today is self-discovering what they want to be, and this starts from a grassroots, this level, from elementary school. See those child put more interest in those subject area, and when a child have just got an interest in that subject area, is a signal that parents or that guidance should put more effort to ensure that this child have all the necessary material at within his or her disposal to enable the child groom very properly towards becoming that great person, that great profession the child is planning to be as the child grow up. So how can this be possible? It could be possible by starting putting things in place gradually, making a plan towards it, supporting the child early learning stage, and equally listening to the teacher to get the feedback from the classroom, how your child is responding to task, how your child reacts to difficult situations. And this is very important because those stages is very important for the child to build concentration while moving ahead. Because when the child is not well culture or organized in this stage, and this child grown up to higher school, it may be difficult for the child now to cultivate this habit or for the person to concentrate on a particular area. But that is very important. That's why this stage is so important. We're talking about in this video that this 6-7 years should be very, very important. In fact, 5 years above, from 4, 5 years, 6, 7, 6 years, those stage of a child development stage is very important. So whatever the child sees, he tries to copy, he tries to learn from it. So again, what the child sees is very important. So at this stage, the child shouldn't be exposed to negative situation or negative things in life. The child should what the child see or what people interact with or what the child visualize. So it's so important. It's unfortunate in what they call the Z world these days, a child is allowed to see everything he wants to see, do everything he wants to do, but at the long run, this child is learning negatively, and which could affect the child development or his concentration, or what this thing can actually play a very negative role in the child's future if not well corrected earlier enough. So this video we make it very clear that parents' guidance, please take a matter of necessity to ensure your child get necessary learning support from you and from the teacher and from the peer group around the child to be able to use what the necessary tools, playing tools, to enhance this aspiration to become what they want to be. And that is what will fuel that child going ahead in his own career to be able to move further to college, and from the college to the university, and to grow up to become that aspiration the child desires to be. It doesn't happen as a rocket science. It starts somewhere. So please, we advise that the child should be given necessary attention. The child should be given necessary support to ensure that this stage the child maximize this time to build what the future lies for his or her. And that is our take for this video. I want you to see a good report. We want to see parents devoting more time for their kids and listen to their needs, not just monetary support, but actually pay attention to them, both in their free time and when they give them tasks at home. Look at how the child responds to the task given. Look at what the child wants to do and try to find out why the child wants to do that. So I think this is a very, very good point we need to stress here, because a child curiosity also, when the child is pointing, this is what I want to do, there should be a reason for that, and that reason should be harnessed positively to support the child to develop his or her potential to the highest level. Thank you so much for hearing this video, and if you're watching this video to this stage, we're very glad if you can like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends and colleagues. We want to see you on the next video where we're talking about the next things a child needs to do, or how you can actually support that child going forward from this stage. Thank you, and have a wonderful day to yourself. Thank you.